J-B Weld 50132 Plastic Weld Quick Setting Epoxy Syringe, Translucent Yellow 25 ml. J-B Weld PlasticWeld, a quick-setting and multi-purpose two-part epoxy that provides a strong and lasting bond on various plastic surfaces, plastic and PVC, fiberglass, glass, ABS, composites, and vinyl. J-B Weld Plastic Weld comes in a syringe allowing for an easy 1:1 mix ratio. The unique syringe has a re-sealable cap that prevents drying out and leaking, allowing for multiple uses, cure and set time. After mixing the two-part formula with the included mixing tray and stir stick, Plastic Weld takes 5 minutes to set and 1 hour to cure. J-B Weld Plastic Weld set and cure color is translucent yellow. Strength: J-B Weld Plastic Weld has tensile strength of 3900 psi. Surface applications: plastic and PVC, fiberglass, glass, ABS, composites, and vinyl. Do it yourself, big or small, you can do it with J-B Weld. Our heavy-duty epoxy and adhesives repair and restore it right the first time. J-B Weld delivers superior performance, quality, and results for the world's strongest bond. Click the link in the description to get this product.